I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own delicious dumplings. First, let's prepare the dough. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cup of hot water. Mix these together, then knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. This resting period is crucial for a tender wrapper. Now, let's create a flavorful filling for your dumplings. Start with 1 pound of ground pork or chicken and add finely chopped cabbage. For seasoning, incorporate 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and some fresh grated ginger. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly distributed. A well-mixed filling ensures every bite is bursting with deliciousness and perfect texture. With your dough rested and filling ready, it's time to assemble. Take small portions of dough and roll them into thin, round wrappers, approximately 3 inches in diameter. Place about 1 tablespoon of your delicious filling in the center of each wrapper. Then, carefully fold the wrapper in half and pleat the edges to seal it securely, forming a beautiful crescent shape. Don't worry if they aren't perfect. Practice makes them even better. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your homemade dumplings. You can boil them for 5 to 7 minutes until they float to the surface and are cooked through. For an extra crispy texture, pan-fry them for 2 to 3 minutes per side after boiling. Serve your hot, delicious dumplings immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a mix of soy sauce and vinegar. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.